In a time when the world was divided, one man rewired the future. His name was Granville T. Woods. They called him the Black Edison. Born in 1856, in a nation still healing from slavery, Woods had little formal education. But what he lacked in schooling, he made up for in brilliance. He studied machines, he mastered electricity, and he saw a future others couldn't. Granville T. Woods became one of the most important inventors of his time, holding over 50 patents, but one invention would change everything: the synchronous multiplex railway telegraph, a device that allowed moving trains to communicate with stations, preventing collisions, saving lives. In a world before wireless communication, this was revolutionary. But success came with challenges. Even powerful figures tried to take his ideas, yet Woods fought back and won. His inventions laid the groundwork for modern communication systems and safer transportation across the world. Granville T. Woods didn't just invent, he transformed industries. In a world that tried to overlook him, he became impossible to ignore. Granville T. Woods, the mind that kept the world moving.